How to use Slack workflow triggers. To use Slack workflow triggers, you first have to open the workflow builder tool within your desktop application. Because this feature is not yet available from the Slack mobile application, you have to be on your desktop. So once you launch the application, you simply have to click the More option or your workspace name in the left sidebar menu. Select the annotations or tools, then click the Workflow Builder. Click the New Workflow button in the top right corner. From there, select and configure your trigger. Once you have done so, all you have to do is now add steps and publish. Once your trigger is logged in, add the step to assign what happens next. Then use the dynamic variables pulled directly from the trigger itself. Click the finish up and then publish to put trigger into live operation. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.